So today we are in the Panama Canal, which is like a 12-hour uh, adventure. It is Monday. It is Monday, Monday, August 3rd. It's day 9 of our 37-day world cruise segment that ends in Sydney, Australia. So today's Monday. It's a work day as well. Since we are digital nomads, we have to work while we enjoy the view of the Panama Canal, which is great. Our days mostly consist of during the week we work during the day, and then at nighttime we enjoy the ship. So it's great, actually. It's been a little over a month since we've been on this new adventure, and we're getting used to it. There's certain things we have to still get sort of accustomed to, like we have eight total of 8 bags, like suitcases and backpacks that we put our 4-bedroom house into. Basically, that's what we have left that we didn't put into storage. So we're trying to still get used to when we go to the airports and stuff like that in between cruises, navigate with all those suitcases. Eventually, we like to pare down. I don't know if it's going to happen, which is fine. We'll figure it out. Other than that, things aren't really that much different. We were traveling 3 weeks out of the month anyway, so now the only thing different is this doesn't end. We used to end, and we'd go home for a week or two and whatever it was, and then we'd go on our next trip. Now it's not going to end, which is amazing. I love it. The commute to work is great. It's like 5 minutes. So yeah, it's great. It's something that we've wanted to do. We talked about it. It was planned for like a year, and now it's finally here, and we're doing it. It's great. It's just it's exciting. It's exciting. We are going to plan we have 2027 mostly filled. We're working on 2028 right now. And then as soon as we can, we'll get 2029 planned. We're just going to back them all out, like book them all out in advance. We're also thinking about heading over to the Villa V Odyssey residential cruise line. We're going to try it out next year for a month or two to see if we like it, if we're a good fit. And then we'll probably end up buying our own cabin, which you own for 15 years or the life of the ship. And it circles the world every 3.5 years. So that's the end game. That way it's like we don't have to worry about constantly changing ships, lugging around luggage. It'll be our ship, it'll be our cabin to own, and we'll just stay there. And then go visit and like leave when we want to. So it'll be the easier way to do this adventure. But for now, we're just navigating around the world. After we leave Sydney, we're going to go up to Alaska for a back-to-back, and then into Hawaii, so it's a back-to-back-to-back. And then we're going to head over to Rome, do a few weeks in Rome, and then head back to the United States. And that will bring us to around the holidays, spend time with some family for just like a week or so during the holiday season, and then we're heading over to South America for 45 days. And then next year we're doing England for a few weeks. So it's going to be amazing. We're doing some Viking cruises in 2028. So keep an eye on our videos and make sure you follow along and you smash the button and you thumbs up and you tell a friend. Trying to do videos every single day of our journey. It's like a diary, so to speak. So bear with me. I hope I'm getting better at doing this every single day or week, or whatever, so you guys can see our journey. All right, that's it. Gotta go work and watch the Panama Canal.